Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Davidson Abhishegam and today is part 1 of a 4-part series on how to master professional business writing for beginners. Now in today's episode, we are going to talk about the 4 C's where I will be covering the first C. And in each part or in each subsequent part, we will be covering 1 C. So what are the 4 C's that's going to help you in your business writing? Now the first C is going to be on writing clearly. The second C is on how to write more concisely. The third C we'll be talking about writing completely. And the last C is on how to write correctly. So today's episode is all about writing clearly. So how does writing clearly play in your business writing? Now, when you write to your customers or to your colleagues, you want to ensure your audience understands exactly what you mean, the intended meaning of your writing. So if you meant to say something like, I will see you next week, that is, while it's understandable, it may not necessarily be clear to your audience. So you might rather want to say, I will see you at 9 o'clock on Monday morning. That would be much clearer for your audience to understand. Now, another part of making sure that your audience can understand you clearly is to ensure that you do not use jargons in your writing. And if you were to use jargons, then you'll want to ensure that you actually explain the definition of that word and define it prior to using it in your writing. Here's another example. To be clear, instead of saying, Apple is developing a new mobile device to communicate better or to communicate vocally, it would be much clearer to say Apple is developing a new communication device or a new mobile phone, for instance. So that's clearer as in what is Apple developing. So in conclusion, to write clearly, you want to ensure that it is short, it is straightforward, it is easily and readily understandable or comprehensible by your audience. So thank you for listening. This is the end of episode 1. Stay tuned for episode 2 where we will talk about writing concisely. If you liked today's video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you in my next video.